Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I know I promised that the next video is going to be using my professional camera, but sorry that didn't happen. I don't have a good SD card for it. It turns out that the SD cards I ordered last year not compatible with this camera. So I will have to order new SD cards that will be compatible with this camera, and once that will happen I will definitely shoot some video on it and not on the camera phone. But enough about the camera, let's talk about what we're doing today. So today we'll be diving into actual electronics, stuff like this. This is a power supply kit that I purchased on Amazon a few days ago. I started putting it together and I am going to continue putting it together, and I thought I will take you guys along for the ride. Now the idea behind this is not really about showing how to put together a power supply. The idea behind this, well, first, the YouTube channel needs another video. Second, there's probably someone out there who would be interested in seeing the construction of an actual bench type power supply. Third, I kind of need to put together a rudimentary electronics lab so I can work on electronics stuff. And the idea behind working on electronics stuff is so I can put together my own charge controllers. So this is the power supply I got from Amazon. It's a very simple one, not much to it. It's a circuit board and a bunch of components. Here are the rest of the components right there. And this thing is very cheap. It costed about $8 to buy. And this is a volt and amperage meter. I'm sure that whoever looks at electronics videos have probably seen these around on Amazon as well. These are also like $6 to buy. They're not very expensive. Now this thing is a great little power supply to start your electronics lab with. However, one thing I did not like about this is it did not come with a schematic. So, trademark secrets be damned, I have reversed engineered the board, and this is the schematics for this power supply. Now I know it's a little bit of a mess, and I will go through the process of cleaning up the schematic a little bit. Maybe I'll share it, maybe not, I'll see. But yeah, this is pretty much what we got. Now this thing did not come with a case, and I did not expect it to come with a case. And I thought about a case, and I looked and looked and looked, and I found this case. This is an old Aries modem router, or it used to be, until the router decided not to give out DHCP addresses, in which case I decided to use it as a hotspot, and it was working fine for about a year as a hotspot, and then I decided not to do that anymore. So at that point the modem router got evicted out of his little shell here, and I'm gonna use this as my power supply. I think it has enough space in there, and it should look very interesting as a power supply, a bench power supply. Okay, let's get into the project itself. So before we continue too much with this project, Let's take a look at this little case here. Let's see what it looks inside, because I took this apart a year ago. I honestly don't remember what it looks like inside. As you can see, the entire case is nothing but open space. Plenty of real estate for my power supply to live in. Can pretty much put this in anywhere we want. Now, I'd like the face to face the face. And we can have our LED display. Nah, that's not gonna work. I wish it would. That would be nice. But I can do it like this. And it's gonna be sideways. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna do it sideways. And as a matter of fact, all the controls and everything is gonna be just beneath it. See, put the LED display right there. Cut a hole there so this will stick out. Just make a couple of holes to put these potentiometers in there. Right there. Probably a on-off switch for the whole unit. And that should be good. We pierced into the case. The case is awesome. Now I'm gonna put the case aside for the moment, because the case is going to be a project by itself. Hey guys, welcome back. I had a little bit of a glitch with my iron solder. I had to change it, and I had to, of course, fix the head, because the head on this thing was horrible. So I kind of remade the head. I don't know, camera is not focusing enough. Never mind. Oh yeah, and I found these arms between my tools, and I did continue a little bit beyond the point where I cut the camera, and as you can see, I managed to do quite a bit, and I have cleaned up the circuit board a little bit. But now we're back, and I will continue soldering. You guys have fun watching. I do apologize if I hit the camera with my solder iron, because this is a terrible setup to work at. Okay, and the board's finally complete, and that's pretty much it for this video, I guess. The next video would be to find a way to embed it into the case and start thinking about mounting the controls. Of course, that has to be done with the case itself. That can't be done right now because there's no faceplate to mount these potentiometers to. Plus, this little guy needs a heat sink. Needs to go right there. Needs a heat sink. So I'll have to figure that part out. But yeah, pretty much that's it for this video, guys. Next time we will definitely complete this little project, and I'll have a bench power supply, and I'll be able to start messing around with more complicated electronics. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did like the video, please like, subscribe, and share with everybody. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching, and have a beautiful day.